Hello traders, good morning. Welcome to my channel once again. So today I'm dropping this strategy on how to catch spikes on crash 1000, crash 500. Okay, I've never tried using this strategy on crash 300 or boom 300. So I've only used it on crash 1000, crash 500, boom 1000, boom 500. I've never tried the 300s. Okay, so if you are using it on 300, that's on you. All right, so this strategy is has a high winning rate, over 95 winning rates. Okay, if you understand a bit of price action, this will really help you. That will really help you, trust me, with this strategy. Okay, if you can combine that with this strategy, you'll be winning most of your trades. And apart from that, from our back testing, from doing the back testing, you'll be able to see that market respects this strategy almost every time, like every time, not even almost every time. So let's do our back testing before we go into how to make use of the strategy and the settings. All right, so make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, guys. It's very important. That's the only thing you can really do for me. Yeah, because what I'm doing now, I'm giving it out for free. I'm giving it out for free. This is something I'm supposed to be using for myself, but I'm giving it out for free. So the only thing you can do for me is to smash the like button, subscribe, and join the free Telegram channel for more amazing contents like this. Okay, and also don't forget the academy is open for everybody. If you don't know how to analyze the charts this 2024, then you have a very long way to go, because everything has really changed. A lot of stuff has really changed. All right, so you need to know price action. Price action is the only way. If you really want to succeed in this business, price action is what you need to that's the skill you need to acquire, okay, for you to be successful. So you can see from our back testing, most of these places we've been smashing. Market has been respecting those levels. You can see that from that level it started dropping. This is crash 1000, guys. Market has been respecting those zones. So I'll give you guys the settings and how to use this strategy. So make sure to watch this video to the end to be able to do what I'm doing with this strategy. All right, so now the first thing you need to know about the strategy, first thing you need to take note of will be the rate indicator you are seeing inside the indicator window one. The rate indicator you're seeing there, you have to wait patiently for it to get to the overbought zone. All right, the overbought zone is the two red line you're seeing above, the one you're seeing there, right? So you have to wait patiently for market to get the rate indicator to get to that point. Once it touches that level, you now have to wait for the green indicator to as well touch that zone. Once it touches the zone, you're opening a position there. All right, you open a position, and let's say you're planning to open one lot size. You might split it into 2 or 3 places. You open the first 0.5, then you open the second 0.5, okay, and allow it to do its stuff. Now you also need to consider your risk. You need to consider your risk. So let's say on inside here, so this is your entry right there, because the accuracy of this strategy is crazy. It's amazing. So yeah, so this is your entry right there. You need to calculate your account balance, that's your equity, and also know how much you're willing to give out in case it doesn't go as planned. Okay, in case it does not go as planned, you need to know how much are you willing to give out to the market in case it does not go as planned. All right, let's say you have a $10 account and you want to risk $2. You need to do your calculation. All right, when you sell around that zone, you need to do your calculation and be sure that if market gets to a certain zone, all right, gets to that $2, it shouldn't exceed the $2. It should close. That's how to manage your trade. Now the good thing is that you're catching spikes. So if let's say you lost $2 around this zone and then you catch spike again, one spike could give you like 3 to 4 times of what you just the market just took from you, the $2. Do you understand? So this trading stuff is something you cannot uh completely get rid of losses. All right, you cannot get, it's part of the business. So when you understand that, you understand the business you're into, so you don't have to be afraid of losses. You must lose for it to win, because if all of us start winning, I think our broker would just shut out, they will just shut down, there will be no forex trading again. Yeah, right. So that's how it is, that's the business that we are in. So you don't expect to win every setup, every trade. All right, you lose some and you win some. If the spikes before hitting your SL, you're blessed. Then one spike could give you more than $5 or more, and that's how you make your money. All right, so that's it. Then once it spikes, you're closing out. If you have a long spike, you're closing out. But if you have a very tiny spike, it's always a bad, it's always a sign that the market might keep going up if I have a very short spike, like something like this. All right. So that's why I say a lot of us needs to have this price action knowledge, so that the trend, the market direction, where the market is going, so that even when it spikes a little, you have a little spike. If you can define your market direction properly, your structure properly, that market will still go your direction. So you need to be sure that market is in a down direction before you start looking for selling opportunities. Do you understand? Then it's in an uptrend for you to start looking for buying opportunities. That way, this strategy works over 95%. Right? So, yeah. So let me quickly show you guys the settings for this strategy. Okay, so this is where you click on above that one, above one, you see the F icon. You click on the icon, and the first indicator you're bringing in will be MACD. You click on MACD so as to create the indicator window. You click on MACD. On the MACD, the fast EMA is 16, slow EMA is 32, MACD SMA is 16, apply to typical price. Levels here, we have level 8.5 and minus 8.5 and minus 7.5. So if you are trading on crash, if this on crash 1000 or crash you're trading on, this is not what you'll be using. This one is mainly for boom. If you're catching spikes on boom, like especially boom 1000, this the settings for boom 1000. So here I'll delete this one here. I'll delete this one, and we'll be having 2.5, and we have 2 right there. I think that should be good. 2, we have 2 right there. All right, then the color here, I'm using green. You can use any other color, and the signal should be white. If you're using white background, then the signal should be white. If you're using black, it should be black. That's it. Okay, remember, you wait for market to get to the overbought zone for crash, then you open a position, it spikes, you make your money. That's simple, guys. That's simple. So the academy is open. If you want to join the academy, chat me up. Check the description box to get my link to my WhatsApp link, or WhatsApp Telegram link to chat me up. Okay, I've given signal already on VIX 100. Oh, so we are in profits already. You can see we are in profits on VIX 100. This is how we make money in the VIP room. The VIP guys are eating already, guys. And I'm still waiting to give another signal again on AMIS B1000 overall buy from this zone. We're supposed to buy somewhere here. You can see those boxes are placed there. See the boxes are placed there. I was supposed to buy it around that zone, but now I woke up pretty late. It's okay. It's all good. At least we're making good profit now on VIX 100. All right, guys. So that'll be all for now. Bye bye.